Friends, today I am going to discuss uh, some we will do this specific project, and I will try to write these things. It's a very easy way. So let's go. Today I want to try to make a single scientific calculator. So let's how do we make a scientific calculator with the R programming language? So create a scientific with the S scientific calculator. First, we will create some variable one of the variable is called a num1 and it should be like this. And just I want to write here as dot these functions number dot. So let's see as dot numbers array has been created as dot of range. And so we will create the as dot number. Yeah, you can numeric. Yeah, it's good. As dot numeric, and we will try to write here read line. This is the functions here. read line is the other functions read line. So let's see the read line is a clipboard, and then we will write here enter side of quoted enter first number enter FIRST and we will use here slugs. So this one first we have already written what's the first number. Similarly, we will write here it's a num2. I am going to write here as it is, copy and paste, and I will change a variable name like a num2, and third is the enter a second number, not the first number. Okay. Second number. So we have, and then I will write here third. We will use here cat functions like a cat, and we will write what's the procedure. First, we will try to do here addition. So addition, and this will equal to inside of quotient. And what's the process? The additions, like a we have created the two variable. So we will write here. I want to write here. So put here comma num1 is its first variable, and then we'll put here num2 is the second variable. These are added, and now I'm putting here comma, and we will try to, this will be in the next line. So so we can write here the backspace in. Okay, so this one will be the first number. Similarly, we will use here subtractions, multiplications. So we will use here same cat, copy and paste here cat, but I am going to write here subtractions like a okay. Similarly, we will write here the multiplication, so we need to write here negative symbol. Now it's a third value. This is the subtractions. We will try here. It's a multiplications you write here the multiplication. So multiplication, and just we will try to solve some multiplications like we will put here a star symbol like this. Now after multiplications we will use here division. Let's go add functions, and now I want to write here it's a division, and just similarly if I want to use your power functions, so we can also use here the power. So go the division here, and just I want to use here some power functions, so let's use here power UWER. And how do we represent the power? Power we can represent like this, like this. Now if I want to create here like create a square root, so we can also write a square root logarithms. Let's go and run here, and just I am going to run here. Okay, so I have gotten not found it's a object, it's a num1 and plus num2. So first we will run here, it's a num plus num2, it's a comma, it's a addition, and then I will put here inside, okay, num1 plus num2 and quotations. It's right. What's the problem? Let's check it. Num1 as the numeric, so read line enters, so enter the first number, and num2 is the numeric, and read the read line and numbers, then additions here, so object. So as a numeric, I think this one, and cat functions. So NA is introducing by the, so it's a warning message. I think let's go here and first run these two numbers. So introduce the variations. So enter the first number. So I think it's a enter the first number. So right. Let's go and run here. Enter the first number like a 10. No. So I will write here. So 10. Enter. Now the enter is second number. Look here, it's a second number, so now I am again putting, it's a 21. No, it's not easy. Control Z. Control Z. Now I have put the second number is a 21. Enter. And then I am going to run here. Concatenations look like this. And this look here, addition is the 31. And second, let's go, and subtractions we will get here. It's a minus 11. And next we will see here let's use here look like a it's a multiplication, and just we will use here division look like here, and now we will use here it's a power. It's a very easy, so we can also use a power. Let's try some more like a I want to use some other like a cat, cat parenthesis, and it's a square root. S Q U A R E square root, and of first number or first number first number, and this will equal to this will equal to, and inside of the quotations SQ squared means SQ RT. Yeah, it's a SQRT. It's a functions has been created, and what to write here now. Num1 clear, and then I want to put here it's a comma, and just I have written here and one, so it's a next line here. Okay. Let's go and just it's run it. So square root has been created. Similarly, I want to create a logarithm. So what should I do? It's the same process I will do here. Let's go here. And just I want to create here, but I want to write here logarithm, not the square root. L-O-G-A-R-I-T-H-M, logarithm, and just we want to log num. It's a log and num1 as it is here. It's the same. Let's go and create here, and just we will write here. So we have gotten here logarithm value. Same. Is it possible to create like a sign of the first number? Yes, right here. I want to go here, just enter and just create here, and sign of the first number SIN E of the first number, and I want to write here replace like a squared sign SIN. Yeah, sign is also here. Let's go and select it and just run it. So similarly, we can also get the cos, tan, and other trigonometric variables, also the inverse variable. So these are the possible, and we will do properly. So this was the basic project, like it's a scientific calculator in R. So how to create like this value, how to get this value. So I hope these are very helpful for everyone. Thank you very much.